So this is US 30 analysis for Monday the 9th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices trade up towards that 24,420. We've had a breakdown below the 24,238 from which we have found support in around 24,150. Had prices break back above the 24,238, retested, trade through, slide through, found resistance in around that, why is it 24,412? I'm not sure why I've got 24,412 on this chart. I don't know what that is. It's meant to be 550. Just bear with me a second here. So we encountered resistance around 24,420. We've had a brief pullback down towards the 200 period average from which we used as a support to break 24,420. We've had a perfect test of 24,420, held as support. We encountered some initial resistance around that 510, breaking back down towards that 420, which held as support. We've now seen a break of that 550. We do appear poised for a retest. If we hold that retest, we're then looking for price head towards that 24,700, successful break from which we're looking for a move towards that 24,800. And if we do see sufficient volatility to the upside in the coming days or so, 24,864 may just come into focus here on the US 30. If, however, we are not able to hold support in around, if we are not able to hold support in around that 24,550, we'll be looking for a breakdown in prices down towards that 24,420. Successful break from which we're then looking for price down towards that 24,238, which I expect to be the far end of range here today on the Monday, the 9th of July. I wouldn't anticipate prices heading all the way down towards that 24,150. Possibly 38 being the far end of the range here to the downside. I suppose we should also be aware of the confluence of the 400 period moving average sitting pretty close towards that 24,510, which could act as support as the prices head further to the upside here on the US 30. Now let's just have a look here at the monthly chart. So here on the chart, we've had this very strong run here to the upside. We've had a pullback since the start of the year, and we've got a bit of a consolidation. More recently, we have seen some bullish price action. So we'll see over at 27,000 in towards the 26,000 mark here on the US 30. Overall, we can see the trend has been bullish, despite the fact that we've had a bit of a pullback and a bit of a consolidation here on the US 30. Now let's just have a look here at the weekly chart. So here on this weekly chart, we've had this sharp move to the upside, strong pullback, consolidation, another pullback, held support in around, I think that's a 40 period moving average. Had this slow grinding price action to the upside. Rather, I shouldn't even say grind, choppy price action to the upside. Had a brief breakdown in prices. More recently, we have seen to have found some support, and we have seen the bullish momentum come back into the market. So we'll see whether the bullish momentum continues and takes us up towards that 25,000, from which we're then looking for a price head towards that mid 25,000 here on the US 30. Now let's just have finally a look at the daily chart. So over here on the daily chart, we can see here we broke our previous lows, headed to, so we had our lows, we had lower lows here beneath the 200 period moving average. We were looking to see whether we would reject the 200 period moving average. What we did in fact see from the previous day was a close above the 200 period moving average, and we have seen that bullish momentum come back into the market. So we do appear to have held support in around at 24,000, at 24,071, from which we've built a bit of a base, and at present we are seeing a bit of recovery to the upside here on the US 30. So if we do see a follow through, possibly looking for a move towards our 25,000, after which we're looking for the mid 25,000s, where there are potential resistance on the US 30. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.